Scene 1, Apple, take 2.
Deep inside the labs of Marlon's machines, calculations were made, adjustments were taken, lives, well, maybe not lives were risked, but sleep was lost. All kinds of things went on to fix this crappy airplane. I traveled far and wide to find some thumbtacks, like this red one here, this red one here on the nose, and this red one here. As you can see, I was onto something. By putting these thumbtacks here, it gave us some weight to maybe stop it from all that stupid wobbling. And then, to defeat the alpha issue with it just constantly climbing, I put a thumbtack on the nose. Boy, was I outsmarting this plane. Or was I? Let's go to the field and see the results.
What's the current wind speed?
The wind's blowing at 2 miles per hour, east, right now.
Lies. All lies. Alright. Today we got a... Oh, no. Today we have a different setup. We're going to be on the baseball diamond because my field is being cut. So hopefully you can still hear me. Now, let's see what all of my work has produced. It's produced nothing. You better produce something. Okay, you know, this thing is still wobbly. But it's still crap. That's messed up. All that work. Put no thumbtacks in, that is. And nothing. Well, it's not a total loss because it's not as wobbly. You know, those tacks on the side, they are kind of acting like weights in a way. I mean, think about it this way. Without those, this thing was like really crap. Whoa. Yeah, look at that. This is more like a radio control kite. Look at that, man. We're gonna have to do something about that. You know, I was thinking that putting weights on it would help because of the wobbling. You know, kind of level that out and then put that one on the nose. With the one on the nose, you know, it seemed like a good idea. See, look at that. It's literally, it's like a kite. And now the wind's picking up. I would say the gust now maybe 4 miles an hour. Yeah, that's messed up. I really like this plane. Well, I want to like it. So we're gonna have to go back to the drawing board. Guys, I'm telling you, if you like kites, this is probably the world's first radio controlled kite. Other than that, look at it, man. It just hangs in there. Because you're supposed to fly against the wind. At least try to take off. But if you go like with the wind on this one, you're subject to lose it. And I don't even need my field for this demonstration. Okay, so we're walking towards it now because it's not flying at all. Well, I mean, it's flying, but it's not performing the way I thought it would. See, look at that hawk up there. He's even laughing at me. Look at that. You know he's laughing. Like, what the hell? See, now look at that. I can go in there. Oh. Man, I have the sunniest flights. I can't even see my plane anymore. Okay, there it is. I mean, that thing is like, man. Oh well. We're gonna prepare for our final approach. Tower control. What do we say here, tower control? Just clear the runway. Okay, we'll clear the runway. We will clear it. I'm so mad I can't even speak. This is messed up. So we're coming in for our final approach. And quite frankly, that's not even going too good. Okay, tower control. We're approaching. We're still approaching. We're gonna do a little sightseeing on the baseball diamond. Tower control, roger that. Okay, so just like last time, look at that. She can't land. Boom. Okay, guys. Back to the drawing board. We'll update you again on the progress of this crappy RC plane. Thanks for watching.
So let me get this straight. You want me to violate his God-given civil rights in the name of some murky sense of the greater good. Is that the gist of it, gentlemen? Okay. I'm game. Just don't plan on it sticking for long. Alright?
Wait, you gonna take that? After all the grief you've given me over cell phone?
Well, that's one of the benefits of being a judge, Mr. Rice. I can pretty much do whatever I want.